Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy tuna. First, select premium canned tuna, preferably packed in olive oil for a richer taste. Carefully drain most of the oil, leaving just a hint to keep the tuna moist and flavorful. Next, prepare your fresh ingredients, such as finely diced celery for crunch and a touch of red onion for a subtle bite. Fresh parsley or dill will elevate the overall aroma and taste. Now, let's combine everything for that perfect texture and flavor. Gently flake the tuna into a bowl, then add about 2 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise or a healthier Greek yogurt alternative. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It adds a wonderful tang that brightens the whole dish. Finish with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of paprika for a hint of color and warmth. To elevate your tuna to the next level, it's all about texture and fresh additions. Gently fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. This provides a satisfying crunch in every bite. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of minced red onion for a subtle, savory sharpness that complements the tuna beautifully. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley or dill to infuse a vibrant, herbaceous note throughout the mixture. Your yummy tuna is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on your favorite toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or use crisp lettuce cups for a lighter, low-carb option. It's also fantastic with crackers for a quick snack. Garnish with a fresh lemon wedge and a sprinkle of fresh chives for an extra touch of elegance and flavor. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly prepared tuna.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.